everybody. Who is going to Mario today? Ha? Dito yung buffet breakfast nila guys. Oh. Kaso mahal man, 2,200 yen. Tapos buffet, hindi man natin makain lahat yan. Good morning, Osaka! We're still here, going to Mario today. Sarap ng lakad niya, oh. Bagong sapatos ba? Morning! Where are we eating? What do you want to eat?
Yes.
What do you want to eat for breakfast?
Where are we eating?
Here first, and then later for lunch, we eat at Mario. If we can. Yun, ang ipagdasal po natin na meron pang slot para sa Mario World, guys. Kayo na nga ba? Wala kaming alam na meron pala yan siyang time, yung Mario World na yan. Akala ko kasi, pag nandoon ka na, okay na, makapunta ka lang sa Mario. Hindi pala. Extra bayad din pala yun. May elephant pala dito. Hanap tayo ng makainan. Parang sinatan magtinapay yan. Ako gusto ko mag nigiri or onigiri. Sa Lawson or sa Family Mart. Derich naman, kumain na siya. Bumili na siya kagabi, nigiri din po. Sabi ko po sa kanya na, bakit hindi mo lang bukas bilhin para mas fresh? Pinili niya man talaga. Kinain niya pagising kanina. Kailangan natin mag-rice kay buong araw na lakaran na naman ito. Need natin ang energy. What are you doing? Why are you doing that to Kuya Derich? Why are you doing that? Can you show us? What are you doing to Kuya Derich? Why? Nagganon niya ba? Shh, ang kuya niya. Kahapon, sa train, kinausap niya ako, sabi ko, Bebe Love, huwag ka mag-usap-usap dito ha, kay ang mga tao, ayaw nila nag-uusap sa train. Di ngayon, tahimik na siya. Hindi siya nagsasalita. Kasi mga 15 minutes, kinausap ko siya. Bigla niya akong ginanono. Shhh! Dito po tayo sa station. Tingnan niyo si Nathan guys, so naka-full gear talaga siya. Nakaupo lang kasi no. Mas nilalamig siya sa amin. Kaya yan talaga ang dinala ko. Ayun, nakakita ako ng 7-Eleven. Dito tayo mag-breakfast. Look at that. May rice, may ano. Tingnan niyo ang binili ko guys. Kumakain na si Nathan. Banana, tapos look, with salmon and cucumber, ano pa yan? Cucumber, turnip, and salted kelp. Kain. Croissant.
Okay,
Okay. Sarap to, oh. Salted kelp. Anong kelp? Happy ka, sarap na breakfast yun. Uy, kahit 7-Eleven lang. Yung salad. Masyado, perfect combination doon sa salmon sushi. Let's go. Bumili ako ng saging, di ba? Parang matapon pa yun ngayon. Kay bawal pala magdala ng pagkain sa Universal Studio, guys. What's the croissant, Bebe Lab?
Good.
Good. And
I never eaten Netherlands.
like that? Like that croissant? How was the taste? Very good, like taste like
Cookie.
oh, taste like a cookie. Para kasi yun siyang biscuit na croissant. Ano siya ba, crispy? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. You sing the All My Life.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Never be a cookie for. Never be a cookie for. Never be a cookie for.
Grabe na kanta yan. Bago yan ah. Yan ba yung Opalite? Opalite. Kada ba?
Oh, palay. Never be a cookie for.
Palagi niya kasi yan naririnig kay Itay, guys. Parang paborito yan ngayon ni Itay. Parang ka-20 niya tunog sa isang araw.
So baby, I also die.
Ano yung lahat ng coins, guys. Nilagay dyan, guys. Hindi tinanggap. Videohan ko daw siya pagpasok niya sa train. Kaya ilagay niya sa cinematic movie niya. Go, yan siya ng movie, guys. Napag-utusan pa tayo. Inutusan siya ba? Dalhin yung saging.
Yeah.
Videohan mo ako ngayon kasi magdala-dala ako ng saging. Ready ka na sa movie natin? Ulo mo lang kunan ko. Ulo mo lang. 1, 2, 3. Paunahin mo muna sila. Saan ang iyo? Hanapin mo.
Okay, so we paid way too much.
Ha? We paid way too much?
Apparently we needed to buy 2 tickets.
May isa ng ticket pa Universal. Tapos dito pala, dalawa kasi na train ang kailangan ko sakyan. Kailangan palang ibigay yung ticket dyan. Di ba? Pili tayo ng bago na naman. So cold! Uy, hawak kay mama, please. Ignorante na si Derek, guys.
I need to check.
Do this. See? Dahil sa si Derek. Sige, good. Huwag ka na mahiya. Lahat ng tao nagdaan sa ganyan pag sa malamig. Pag first time. Nag-usok ang kanyang bibig. Sige na ba? Sinatan, Ang saging natin. Busog. You see that, guys? Busog pa man ako. 3 sana ba kay para sino mang magkain. Di man pwede doon sa Universal Studio pala. Dali na ba? You. Oh, you see that, guys? It's going out, ha?
Not doing anything.
It's not doing because you blow. See, it's going out, look.
You blow like that, oh?
You blow.
Like this, oh? Look at Kuya.
Yeah, like that. Like that. Si isa pa rin. Si isa pa kayo makita talaga dito. Para sa cinematic video mo.
Cinematic video magna.
Dito na siguro tayo magtira sa Japan. Hindi mo talaga ako kinainis dito ba? Sa Japan. Mabait ka masyado sa Japan. Ito daw maganda i-video papasok sa train. Saan na train ang gusto mo? Iharap ka din. Dapat sa gilid para makita talaga. Mahal, can you get Nathan because I will film there, Rich? Mag-away na naman kayong dalawa? Kaga-aga pa? Ha? So early in the morning. Okay. Tayo, Rich. Tayo, maayos, Rich. Ito. Perfect. Perfect, Rich. Grabe ito ba? Full movie talaga itong gawin niya. We are here, everyone! Universal Studio Stores. Yeah, Universal City. Ewan saan yun, doon pa yun sa unahan, guys. Wow! We're here! Oh my gosh! Who is so happy now? Woo! Pahidbang-hidbang talaga siya. Oh, I see Mario now.
As we are in, we need to register to get into Mario.
Yeah. Look, baby!
Because if everybody does that, it's
Wow! Super Nintendo World, I see it!
Yes! Yay!
first one.
World! Yay! Nintendo World!
What?
Nintendo World!
Yes! Sana makapasok tayo. Sabihin mo, Papa Jesus, sana makapasok kami. Sabihin mo. Dali na.
Ha?
Sabi mo, sana makapasok kami. Look at that. We are here. Wow. Maniniyot ko. Universal. Wow. Nagmamadali kami. Kaya para makakuha pa tayo ng ticket papasok sa kaabot pa ba tayo. It's just a dream. Madala ko ang pamilya ko dito. Naiyak ko naman ako. Oh my gosh. Ay, ganito pala ang park, guys. Pasok tayo dyan. Kala ko mapuslit namin ang saging, guys. May pa-scanner pala sila dito. Nasa loob na kami, guys. Sinatan tinitingnan yung manok. Baby love, what was that? Yeah, yes, we're here. We go to Mario first, okay? Kailangan talaga namin makapunta dito, guys. Kahit sinatan lang sana. Dito tayo magtanong. Guest services. Just go in.
Yes. Sometimes they have that. They said when it's not busy. I thought it's very busy, but apparently
No, it's not so busy. Popcorn Mario! Wow! Yes! Later, okay? That's the hindi ba masyado busy, oh? Tingnan nyo, oh. Diba? Dito na tayo, guys! Oh, baby love! Shrek is there! I saw Shrek! Wow! Picture with Shrek?
Shrek is there.
Or later? Wow, Shrek is there, guys! Here, here, here! Look at Shrek! Hello, Shrek! Hollywood
more than
Dream.
1 hour waiting line already.
Yeah? Oh yeah, 90 minutes. Look guys, ang mga waiting line nila 90, 85, and 70. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Not yet. We're going to Mayo.
Why is this the end?
It's not the end, baby love. You wait for a while. We're going to Mayo now.
Yeah.
Kay Harry Potter naman dito. The Jaws. Yung shark. Look at that. Si Nata nagtatanong na, Mama, are we almost there? Magsakay daw niyan si Derek at si... Hindi ako magsakay. Sino maano kay Nathan? Almost there, bebe. Fresh fruits trade. Freshing drinks. I love it.
There it is.
Oh, Super Nintendo World! It's it! Oh my gosh! Holy moly!
Nintendo World.
Okay.
Oh, we're going inside, yes! Guys, nakapasok kami. Oh my gosh! Baby, we're here! Wow! Thank you, Lord! Thank One more time! Thank you, Lord!
Thank you, Lord. We are here.
There, go inside! Wow! Thank you, Lord! Yes, yes, yes! We're here! Oh my God! It's just a dream! Now it's not a dream anymore! Oy, I'll take a picture of you a lot there, ha? So when you are old, you can see this, that you are in Super Nintendo World. 2, 3, smile here kay Mama! Oh! Thank you! One more. I want, wait.
She also wants.
Look at that, everyone! Bili natin to. Gusto mo rin, Rich? Ano gusto mo? Look at Mama! You want this? Yeah, you
Oh, that is a
want?
princess.
You can have this. Oh, gusto niya talaga ang please para makalaro daw sila sa loob. Wow! We're going inside, bebe! Grabe nga kasaya, guys. Look, bebe! Look!
Let's go to the coin there. Here.
Wow! What can you say?
Thank you.
Thank you! Look, guys! finally here.
Derek was here somewhere.
He was taking videos. Wow, you see everything.
Yes.
You play there?
Come here.
One more.
Come on.
Wow, I love it.
Which one is this?
Picture, Mahal. I'll take a picture of you, my love. Picture, Mahal. Wow. I'll take a picture of you. There. Good so. Wow. Yes?
Go to the age of
Oh, you want to go there? Yeah, we wait for Papa, okay?
Where are we going?
Anywhere you want to go, Mahal.
Let's go into a ride.
Yeah. Wow. I love it, guys. Grabe. My inner child. May pa-inner child na tayo ngayon. May ganun kasi. Grabe si Daniel, guys. Ang inner child talaga ng mister ko ang naano ngayon. Tingnan nyo, hindi siya mapalagay. muntik niya pang
We're waiting time.
Oh, 2-hour waiting time. Let's go.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's go, Mahal. We're already here. Muntik niya pang mabitawan si Nathan. Sa iba namin ni Darius na wala na. Dalawa na sila ang bantayan.
1 hour lang mo tayo dito.
2 hours. Pwede yan. Dalawa na sila ang bantayan natin, Rich. Ako kay Kuya Daniel, ikaw kay Nathan.
Ikaw kay Nathan.
Sige. Si Kuya Daniel ang bantayan mo. He's not allowed. Only this one, Mahal. Nothing else.
This one is not allowed.
Then just you and the Rich.
2 hours. Let's go to
Oh yeah, 2 hours.
He can be.
Yeah, where he can be.
Waiting anyway.
Yeah. Hindi lang naman yun ang rides nila, guys. Meron din to, Mario Motors. Tama nga naman si Daniel. Let's go to where kay Nathan B. Kay para to sa kanya, hindi lang to para sa tatay niya. Here. Let's go here. Hindi mo masyado busy. Kaya yung mga nakita ko sa TikTok, super busy, uy. Bebe, play there. Oh! What do you want? Dito na sila mga games. Now, ask Papa. Because Papa knows.
What?
Oh!
what's here?
What do you see? Wala, nagtanggal na ng mga coat kay kainit sa Japan today. Mainit sa ano, grabe kasi ang araw. Bebe, look here. 1, 2, 3.
Yoshi ride.
Yeah, Yoshi ride. Let's go to the Yoshi ride. Wow. I love it. Sa Yoshi ride po tayo. Yoshi's Adventure. Are you happy? So
Yes.
happy, huh? How happy are you?
I'm happy.
How much?
So happy.
We need to be in the line, baby love. Can you still wait? Mag-ano nga yan ng ilang oras doon sa Efteling. Dito pa kaya sa paborito niya na Mario. Grabe ang pila, guys. Abot sa labas, oh. Doon pa sa dulo, oh. You said only 1 hour in the park.
No, I think it is that we have 1 hour to go in. Like it starts at 10:10 that we go in and then stops at 11:10. But we're already in, so it's fine.
Yeah, because I was thinking if the lines are like this, then Kakaiba ang pasensya ni Nathan, guys.
Million land people.
Tingnan nyo. Si Derich, pagod na daw siya. Hindi kasi ito na-influensyahan ng ano ba, Super Mario, nung bata pa siya. We're in, everybody!
Utang. Pasti ka na.
Yeah. Say ko dasay. Ako pa talaga ang inan. Ito daw, pag ano daw, maghanap to tayo ng itlog. Sayang, hindi natin ma-visual.
Ano na eh?
Oh, ganito lang to. Hindi kasi siya talaga maka-Mario, guys. Sayang, hindi natin mabidyohan si Nathan ang kanyang reaction. Si Daniel kasi gusto niya talaga katabi si Nathan kaya syempre sila be talaga yan dalawa ang Mario guys. So mag-video na tayo dito be. Mangingiyot ko. Tingin-tingin din taon si Nathan, guys. Saan naman ni Ritz? How, how? Pasok na tayo. How is he? Wow! Baby love, I want to see your face now. Hindi natin siya makita, guys. Nalungkot ako na hindi ko makita ang reaksyon ni Nathan. Nabad trip ako kay Daniel kasi hindi niya kinukunan. Gusto ko yung may memories ba ng kanyang reaksyon. Kaya parang makita niya. Kita isa pa ito. Sa Donkey Kong kay ni kay Daniel, parang hindi pwede si Nathan doon. Donkey Kong Country. That's fine now. It's done. Donkey Kong. Look. Donkey Kong is there, baby love. Look there. There, there. Let's go there. Pero hindi yan pwede dito si Nathan. Roller coaster po to, no? Baby love, you cannot be in the Donkey Kong ride. Because it's so fast. It's roller coaster. May nagpapapicture doon. Oh. Kita nyo ba, guys? Yan o. Mabilis. Cannot be. No, you cannot just. You want to be with the rich there?
No,
2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours.
You know, there's also other Universal parks that
Yeah.
are probably less busy.
Yeah. Ganyan sa kabilis, guys. Pero 2 hours ang waiting time. Tapos, hindi pwede sinatan. Oh! Very good. And Papa? Oh, yeah. That's nice. You want that?
Okay.
Okay, let's buy that
Let's
for
have a
you.
look around, and then we can
How
try.
about to Mario? They don't have that. Ano nga yan yung
Mario also has that.
Alcancia ba? Is
You want
better.
Donkey Kong, not Mario?
You don't want Mario?
Ladies
Oh, a
na.
bag. What will you put there? Gusto sana namin to, pero ano yan, guys? Hindi pwede yan, mabasag yan. Magkain na tayo, guys. Thank you, Lord, sa experience. Ikaw na talaga, Lord. Number 1. Thank you, Lord. Grabe, pati kain, Linya. How many hours?
You want to eat here?
How many hours? You want? How about you? You want there?
Yeah, I like it, but I'm also hungry.
Yeah, also hungry.
Yeah.
You can get the snack first. There's not a big line for a small line for the snack.
Ipag-snack muna natin si Daniel kay gutom na daw siya.
Shell.
With a green shell,
Yes, with a lot of cheese.
with a lot of cheese.
Yummy.
Yummy! Ah, you want a juice? He wants the juice.
That much. Okay, let's go.
Ayaw mo, Rich? Ayaw daw ni Derich. Doon na lang sa ano, kay Mario. It's like a pizza?
Yeah, with cheese inside and meat.
Ah!
ご用意させていただいてます。
Oh!
はい、なよし。
Wow! Yoshi! Thank you! Oh! Grabe, naka-busy guys. Hanap tayo ng maupuan. Ay, hindi, maglinya na pala kami para sa kain. Magkain pa ba kaya ito sinatan? Kalaki-laki para pala ito siyang pizza.
Mahal, we need to go in.
Yummy! Ako, hindi na ito magkain mamaya, sure. Pizza with cheese inside. You hold it. It's not hot anymore. You hold it. Yummy. And your juice. Masarap? Hindi daw. Ibigay mo kay Kuya Daniel.
But I want
No, we need to clean that first. We cannot put that there because we need to wash that. I'm afraid that's with egg, mahal. It's like pancit inside. Yeah, it's pancit.
Pancit and cheese.
Oh,
this
And
one.
egg.
But I think I eat this one.
yeah, that's more yummy with the burger.
They
With
also
the
have rice.
they also have rice, baby love,
I'll
with
go for that
chicken.
one.
Papa, makik this.
Yeah, Yamardi.
Okay. Hindi niya nabitawan, guys. It's not heavy.
No.
Andito na po tayo sa loob. Pila pa din. Diyan tayo guys, mag-order, magbayad.
Okay, again, faster.
Oh, wow! Thank you! Oh, that's still super hot, Bebe Laba.
The plate
Very
is
hot.
If Mayo has,
Very
Mayo Media, take out, okay.
Thank you.
And for Kuya Derich. Hindi ako nag-order, guys. Busog pa ako. Okay, okay. If you don't want, it's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ano yun, Derich? Picturean mo na.
Mama, can I please take also
picture?
this?
Okay. Enjoy. And the Mario on the burger. Wow. Wawawi. You want to try the Mario, baby love? Yeah.
Nathan, geef mij hier. Geef mij de Mario. Bewaar ik die.
So, is it yummy? No, the burger. Not just that one, ha? Lakyan mo.
Bakit hindi sila kain ng itlog?
He likes the burger, guys. Bebe, say bye-bye to Mario. Bye-bye, Mario.
Let's go to the parkour.
Okay, yeah. Bye. Mario and Luigi. Wow. You want to go there? Okay, let's fall in line, yeah? Oh, they're going already. Can you hold him so he can see?
Kapoy siguro sila, ma'am.
Ha?
Kapoy naguro si Luigi.
Pagod na daw siguro sila. Grabe ang pila sa ano guys, oh, Super Mario. Buti na lang talaga, nag-aga kami masyado ba. Pagdating namin, di ba? Dito agad diretsyo.